What is the average electrician salary in Barbados? On average, electrician in Barbados earns around 23,100 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, you take home $18,500. This leaves you with roughly $1,442 each month to live on. That take-home pay is based on the national average, but electrician wages are usually higher in big cities where demand is strong. For example, in Bridgetown, you can bring home $21,800 after tax. While living outside Bridgetown means lower pay, the cheaper cost of living often makes up for it. On top of location, experience plays a big role in what you make. Beginners start well below the average electrician pay, though earnings go up quickly as you learn the trade. Your income can hit a wall after several years unless you step into a supervisor role. Having a university degree helps you break through that wall. While a local electrician job does not always require one, extra education makes it much easier to advance into higher paying positions like project manager or chief engineer. Specialized skills bring even higher earnings, so learning complex systems really pays off in this field. If you want to know how much does an electrician make in Barbados, these factors make all the difference.